Welcome to my YouTube channel JB Accountant. Today's HS first year English question paper 2024 or Assam Higher Secondary Council English question paper. Full mark 90, theory part 90, internal test 10 mark. But out of 90, pass mark 27, time 3 hours. Now the question number 1 and 2 reading skill 20 mark. Question number 3, 4, 5 B writing skill 20 mark. Question number 6, 7, 8 C grammar 10 mark. Question number 9 to 14 40 mark. It is the textual माने किताब से है ये क्वेश्चन. टोटल 90 मार्क क्वेश्चन. सेक्शन ए रीडिंग स्किल. Question number 1, read the following passage carefully and answer the following question that followed. Point number 1, the glad lady was glad to be back at the block of flat basket and had grown heavier with every step of the way home. Same question continue. Confusion of her by her writing desk. And point number 2, question 1, it was as clear as daylight then that burglar has forced an entry in her absence. Now question this. Continue reading. Search for any intruder who might be still lurking in her flat. Point number 3, they went through the room being careful to touch nothing. It is the continue key or enter through the balcony. Question number. Point number 4, there was no trace of fingerprint and then little spot of bother. Continue question. From 4 para, the question asking here, A, why did the old lady feel glad to be at her flat? B, why was the old lady surprised to find her front door open? C, what made her realize that burglar had entered her flat? D, what did she go to the basement? E, why did inspector conclude that the thieves had used the skeleton keys? F, what did the police inspector find while searching for fingerprint? G, pick out the word phrase from the passage which are synonyms of the following: enormous, Montessor, indication, trace. Question number 2, read the passage given below and answer the following that follow. Today India is one of the fastest growing economies in the world. And then continue. There are many aspects which can be looked at when discussing increasing consumption of middle class. One of key aspect is rise in the globalization and exposure to a vast range of products and services. Continue this statement. Behavior of the increased use of the purchasing. Moreover, it can certainly lead to creation of more jobs and be an engine for growth in future. Now, on that basis, the question A, on what basis of your reading of the above passage, make note on it and add a suitable title to it. Next page now. B, make a summary of the above passage in about 80 words. Now section B, writing skill. 3 question number. You are arranging a picnic party to Kaziranga next Sunday. Describe your arrangement of the picnic party to your classmate in about 100 words. 6 marks the question. Or you are Parthana, Cultural Secretary of XY Public School Tezpur. Your school observed National Unity Day to recognize the endeavor of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel to unite the country. Prepare a report in about 100 to 125 words for your school magazine, 6 mark. Question number 4. You are really worried about environment degradation. Population is increasing day by day and is posing a great threat to the environment and mankind. Ozone layer is getting depleted. Write an article on environment pollution, a global problem for your school magazine in about 150 to 200 words, 6 mark. Or 2 in 4. Strict discipline in school and college is a great problem these days. When cases of indiscipline have become quite frequent, write a speech to be delivered at the morning assembly of your school. Question number 5. You are Chetan Sharma, a commerce graduate from the Guwahati University. You are seeking a suitable job. You came across an advertisement in the Assam Tribune inviting young and dynamic fresh graduate as sales assistant in a reputed company. Write an application with complete biodata to the manager of the company. एक जो क्वेश्चन 5 मार्क का ये फर्स्ट ईयर भी आया हुआ है, सेकेंड ईयर में भी आता है इसी प्रकार का क्वेश्चन 8 मार्क का है, सेकेंड ईयर में 10 मार्क रह गए. और रिसेंटली देयर हैव बीन ए नंबर ऑफ रिपोर्ट इन 10 and 12 suffering from nervous breakdown. Write a letter to the editor of the Assam Tribune, Guwahati, appealing to authorities to ease the pressure on children. You are Pragyan or Pragati, a class 11 student in Guwahati HS school. Section 6, grammar. Question number 6. A. Fill in the blanks with suitable determiner any two. 1. He thinks that he is the is the fill in the blanks. 2. Do you have any is in the fill in the blanks. 3. She gave a cookie to the is the fill in the blanks. 6b. Rewrite any two of the following sentences with the correct form of the given brackets in 1/2 into 2. 1 mark. 1. Answer it. If I had known his address, I had known, यहाँ पर होगा. नंबर 2. They have been living in Guwahati होगा यहाँ पर. Look, there goes the bus. Goes होगा इसका करेक्ट. 6 number C. Fill in the blanks with appropriate modal auxiliary. You space take regular exercise. You should take regular exercise should do. Number 2. I used to go out for a walk but now I don't. past habit में इसको बनाना है. D. Correct the following. There is no remedy for this. ऑफ का जगह 4 होगा. 2. He was invited to the meeting. at the meeting नहीं होता, to the meeting होगा. Question number 7. A complete the following piece of conversation by choosing the correct alternative from the brackets. He said, Mother, why? What नहीं होगा. Don't you use the new woolen shawl? Don't होगा. Have not नहीं होगा. You like it? Mother reply, many of my son have not got anything for use in winter. How can I use mine? B. Rearrange the word in the following to form meaningful sentences. इसका होगा, this is one of the building that were destroyed in the earthquake. 2. He has made much progress considering his age. Or considering his age, he has made much progress. दोनों में से कोई एक लिख सकते हैं. 8. Rewrite the following sentences as directed. You must go there to escape being fined. इसका होगा complex sentence. To avoid being fined, it is necessary for you to go there. Or in order for avoiding being fined, you must go there. B. I am glad that you have come. इसका कंपाउंड सेंटेंस बनाना है. I am glad because you have come. यहाँ तक था ग्रामर पार्ट. नाउ टेक्स्ट 12 माने किताबी क्वेश्चन है ये. The question number 9, read the any one of the stanza given below and answer the question that follows. A का क्वेश्चन है, इसका बाद है बी का क्वेश्चन. नंबर 10, आंसर एनी थ्री ऑफ द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन. ये क्वेश्चन ए बी सी डी ई एफ. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11, आंसर एनी 5 ऑफ द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन. 2 into 5 10 mark. A B C D E F G H. Question number 12, what appeal does Royal Alvin make to scholars of Assam concerning the song and poems of the state? Why does he make this appeal? 4 + 2 6 mark. Or give a character sketch of the author grandmother. Question number 13, answer any one of the following question. A B. Question number 14, answer any two of the following question in brief. 2 into 2. A B C. How did Yuri help Albert in getting a medical certificate? D. What was Einstein's idea of education? ये क्वेश्चन पेपर था 2024 इंग्लिश, 90 मार्क. थ्योरी जो था. I hope that you all at least like the video, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.